A crab processing factory involves a meticulous and well-organized process to ensure that crabs are handled efficiently and hygienically from the moment they arrive until they are packaged and ready for the market. The process begins with the arrival of the crabs, freshly caught from the sea. When the ship docks, the crabs are carefully unloaded to prevent damage. This initial handling is crucial as any rough treatment can cause bruising or breakage, affecting the quality of the meat. After being unloaded, the crabs are immediately transported to the factory's processing area. This step is done quickly to ensure the crabs remain in the best possible condition. The transport containers are designed to maintain the crab's freshness. After being stored for some time in a cooling medium, the crabs undergo an initial cleaning process. This involves rinsing them with cold water to remove any surface dirt or debris. The crabs are then placed on a conveyor belt, which takes them to the next stage of processing. This initial step ensures that the crabs are clean and ready for further handling. The next step involves separating the crabs into their different parts. The legs and claws are carefully cut off using specialized tools to ensure precision and minimize damage to the meat. The body is then split in half, and any remaining inedible parts, such as the gills and viscera, are removed. This separation is crucial for maximizing the yield and quality of the meat from each part of the crab. The next stage is the initial cleaning of the crab legs. They are rinsed with cold, clean water to remove any surface dirt or debris. This initial cleaning helps to prepare the legs for more thorough processing and ensures that any contaminants are removed before cooking. After the crab legs are cut or separated from the crab body, they are immediately stored in containers that will be filled with ice. The ice helps to keep the legs at a low temperature, preserving their freshness and preventing bacterial growth. This initial step is crucial for maintaining the quality of the crab legs until they are ready for further processing. After the legs are removed, the next step is to separate the other parts of the crab. This includes removing the claws and then splitting the body in half. Each part is processed differently to maximize the yield and quality of the meat. The separated parts are then thoroughly cleaned. This involves removing the gills, viscera, and any other inedible parts. The exterior of the crabs is scrubbed to remove any dirt or debris. This cleaning process ensures that all parts of the crab are free from contaminants. The cleaned crab parts are then cooked. The method of cooking varies. The legs and claws are usually steamed or boiled in large vats, while the body parts might be cooked separately to ensure even cooking. The cooking time is carefully controlled to maintain the texture and flavor of the meat. After cooking, the crab parts are rapidly cooled. This is often done using a cold water bath or an ice slurry. Rapid cooling stops the cooking process and prevents the meat from becoming overcooked, ensuring it remains tender and flavorful. Once cooled, the meat is extracted from the legs and claws. This process is often done manually to ensure that large, intact pieces of meat are obtained. This stage requires skill and precision to maximize the yield and maintain the quality of the meat. The extracted crab meat is then sorted and graded. The meat is categorized based on its size, color, and texture. Premium grades are reserved for high-end markets, while other grades might be used for processed products or sold at a lower price point. After sorting, the crab meat is weighed and packaged. Packaging options include vacuum-sealed bags, cans, or other containers designed to preserve freshness and extend shelf life. The packaging process is done under strict hygiene standards to prevent contamination. Before the crab meat is sent to storage, it undergoes a final quality control inspection. This involves checking for any shell fragments, ensuring the meat is of consistent quality, and verifying that all packaging is correctly labeled and sealed. Finally, the packaged crab meat is stored in refrigerated or frozen conditions, depending on the product specifications. It is then prepared for distribution, either for local markets or for export. Maintaining the cold chain throughout storage and shipping is crucial to ensuring that the crab meat remains fresh and safe for consumers.